Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Keep it rolling. This is your host Arindam, and today I'm gonna unpack this action camera silicone cover. Uh, this is compatible with Hero 5, 6, 7 and 8. I bought this product from Amazon and it costed me around $3.99. So let's see how the product is. This is a bill. It's a silicone case which weighs around 10 grams and the material looks durable and sturdy. This is available in Amazon in 8 different bright colors and the cover fits over GoPro case. So as you can see, the cover fits well to the case and the quality of the product is pretty good. It's a good economical choice to protect your camera from external shocks and it protects your lens from getting scratches. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe. I'll be uploading more cool videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, ride safe, goodbye.